everyone. Now we'll see some inequality rules. First, reciprocal. So how we'll do reciprocal on both sides of a inequality. Okay. So you see here. So when you want to do reciprocal on both sides, you need to maintain both sides we are having positive numbers or negative numbers. So you need to have positive numbers on both sides or negative numbers on both sides of a inequality. So now see, for example, 2 less than 5. Both sides you are having positive numbers, right? Now you can go for reciprocal. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is, 2 reciprocal is what? 1 by 2. 5 reciprocal is what? 1 by 5. Okay, value of 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. Value of 1 by 5 is what? 0.2. So now which one is greater? 0.5 is greater. So on doing reciprocal, you need to change the inequality. Okay. So and you need to maintain both sides positive numbers or both sides negative numbers. Okay. See one example. Suppose you are having one positive number and one negative number. For example, you see here -2 less than x less than 5. So here not all are positives. Okay, all are negatives. So -2 to 0 positive numbers are there, 0 to 5. Sorry, -2 to 0 negative numbers are there, and 0 to 5 positive numbers are there. Right. In such cases, if you want to do reciprocal, you need to split this interval. So see here, like this, -2 to 0, next 0 to 5. In that way, you need to split the interval. Okay, now you see here. Here all are negative numbers. X is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative numbers only, right? Here all are negative numbers. When you have negative numbers, you see here all negative numbers. On doing reciprocal, inequalities will changes. So -2 reciprocal is what? -1 by 2. X reciprocal is what? 1 by x. And 0 reciprocal, this is not exactly 0, somewhat less than 0 numbers only there here. So on doing reciprocal, negative reciprocal will gives us what? Minus infinity. Now you need to change the inequalities. So you will have like this, right? Now you see here 1 by x that lie in minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. The same thing I am writing here, minus infinity to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So simply you see here, just less than 0 reciprocal is what? Minus infinity written you got here, and -2 reciprocal that you got here, right? So you can change the inequalities, or you have to change the positions. After doing reciprocal, whatever the thing here you are going to get, that you write on left side. So see here, doing reciprocal, you are going to get something, right, that you write on right side, or you interchange the positions on doing reciprocal. That is also fine. You have to change the inequalities like this, or you change positions. Okay, here also I want to do reciprocal. See here, all are positive numbers. Now you can go for reciprocal, right? 0 reciprocal. 0 means not exactly 0. Here is equal to symbol not given. Why we are going to do reciprocal? 0 reciprocal is not possible. So is equal to symbol not given. So all are positive numbers. This is somewhat more than 0. More than 0 reciprocal becomes as what? Infinity, right? Okay. You can change the positions, that already I said. That infinity I am writing here. And 5 reciprocal is what? 1 by 5. Okay. X reciprocal is what? 1 by x. So I changed the position. Changed the positions. So no need to change inequalities then. Okay. So 1 by 5 less than 1 by x less than infinity. So finally you see here, if x lie in this interval -2 to 5, then 1 by x belongs to, then 1 by x belongs to what? Minus infinity to minus 1 by 2 union 1 by 5 to infinity. Okay, so in that way we'll do reciprocals on both sides of an inequality. Okay, so now you see here, in that way some more rules are there in inequalities. Multiplying with a negative number on both sides, you see here, multiplying with a negative number. Multiplying with a negative number. See, for example, -2 is less than 5. So you multiply with any negative number on both sides. Okay, suppose -3. You multiply with -3. You multiply with -3. So here -3 is there, right? Multiplying with -3 on both sides. Then getting what? Here 6 we are getting, and here -15 we are getting. Now which one is more? 6 is more. Okay, so initially, see, you should not write this inequality. See here. So initially you are having less than symbol, and finally you got greater than symbol. So means what? Inequality is changing on multiplying with a negative number. Okay. So here which symbol you need to write on multiplying with a negative number? So opposite inequality. So here less than symbol is there, right? You need to write greater than symbol. So when you are multiplying with a negative number, change the inequality, that's it, enough. Next, suppose sending rules. Okay, for example, you see here 1 by 2, which is less than 3 by 2 only, or 3, suppose. Now you are sending a positive number to other side. So 1 will be here. On sending 2 to other side, what will get? 3 into 2. Okay. Now what about inequality? So see, this is 1, this is 6. 1 is less than 6. Okay. On sending positive number, so you see here, on sending positive number to other side, inequality does not changes. What about when we are sending negative numbers to other side? So you see here, suppose 3 by -2 is less than 4. Now I am going to send this negative number to other side. Okay, then what will get here? 3. And what will get here? 4 into -2. Then what about inequality then? Here positive number is there, here negative number is there. So positive number is more than this negative number. So 3 is more than -8. 3 is more than -8. So sending negative number to other side, you need to change the inequality. Sending positive number to other side, you should not change the inequality. So in that way some rules are there. Thank you everyone.